Hello everyone, welcome to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to study about multiplication with mixed numerals. But before we begin, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get started with our first example. So we're going to multiply 3 and 1/2 times a 5/2. The dot indicates a multiplication. Take a look at this closely. We have to change this to improper fraction first. So see how it looks like. So what we're going to do is we will going to multiply 2 by 3 and then we're going to add 1. So it will look like this. So we have 3 times 2 plus 1. And then we copy the denominator here. Okay, so 3 times 2 will give us 6 plus 1 all over 2. So the new expression will be like this. So it becomes 7/2. So 3 and 1/2 is the same as 7/2. Okay, so this one is now 7/2. So we just copy times 5/8. Take a look at this. Can we simplify this? Let us see. So both are already in fraction notation. So we multiply 7 by 5 and then we also multiply the denominator 2 by 8. So we have now 35/6. Since we're dealing with the mixed numeral, we have to do something about it and change this to mixed numerals. To do that, we're going to do the division. So the one on top will be the inside and the one at the denominator will be outside. So 35 divided by 16, or simply how many 16 can we get from 35? So that is 2. So multiply back 2 to 16, we have 32. So, and then we subtract. So the answer will be 3. So how are we going to express? So check again. Can we divide 3 by 16? Okay, I think it's enough. So this will be our remainder. So we have to express it in mixed fraction using these 3 numbers, 2, 16 and 6. Take a look at closely. So the 2 will be the whole number. 3 will the remainder will be on top, and still our denominator is 16. So this will be our final answer for the product of 3 and 1/2 times 5/8. Let's have our example number 2. The same process, just like what we did a while ago. We multiplied this 3 by 5 and we add 1 and we copy the denominator. So it will look like this. Okay? And then we just multiply by 5. But 5 can be expressed in this manner. So this is our new fraction now. Okay, check again. Can we simplify? No. So what we're going to do is we will multiply 16 by 5. So the answer is 80. And then over 3 times 1 is 3. Again, we have to change it to mixed numerals. So let's have this one in this form. So we divide it. Okay? So let's start with the first number. 8 divided by 3 will give us 2. Return it back. 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we subtract 8 by 6. We have 2. Bring down the next number, which is 0. Okay? Now we could divide 20 by 3. How many 20s? How many 3 can we get from 20? We have 6. So multiply back 6 times 3 we have 18. So subtract it. And then 2. Since there's no more number here, we will stop. Since we cannot divide 3 by 2. Oh, we cannot divide 2 by 3. So let's put it now in fraction notation, or in mixed numerals. So we have the whole number 26, the one on top, and the 2, the remainder is here, and the denominator, which is 3. So this will be our final answer. Okay, let's have one more. Multiply 3 and 1/3 and 2 and 1/2. Okay, so we're going to change this one first, the improper fraction. So it will look like 10/3. While the other one, 2 times 2 plus 1 will be 5 with the denominator of 2. Now check it out first. Can we cancel? Can we reduce this one? Let us see. Yes. The 10 and the 2 can still be further simplified. So we can divide both 10 by 2 and 2 by 2. So the answer will be 5 and 1. Okay? So take note, when you wanted to simplify, make sure that it should be 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Since we cannot cancel anymore, we cannot cancel 5 and 5 because both of them are in the numerator. So we just multiply 5 by 5. So what we will have is 25, and 3 by 1 will be by 3. So the same process, we're going to divide 25 by 3. So we cannot divide 2 by 3, so we're going to have 25 by 3. So the answer is 8. Multiply 8 back to 3, we have 24. And then we subtract it. 25 minus 24 will give us 1. So where do you think we should put the number 8? The number 1 and the number 3. So let's have it here. So 8 will be the whole number, the remainder will be on top, and the divisor will be at the bottom. Okay? So this will be our final answer for this one. Okay? Remember the following when you are multiplying with mixed numerals. Convert the numbers or the mixed numeral to fraction notation. Use cancellation if possible. Multiply the fraction notation. Convert the answer to mixed numeral if applicable. Okay? Actually, there's a first step. Make sure it's always in a simplified form. Now, at this time, we're going to verify if you understood the lesson. Let's try the following items. Number 1. Multiply 3 and 3/5 by 1/3. Let's start the time. Time is up, and the answer is 1 and 1/5. Okay? Did you get it? Let's have another one. Multiply 2 and 1/2 by 5. Let us start the time. Time is up, and the answer is 12 and 1/2. Okay, let's have our next one. Multiply 1 and 1/3 by 2 3/4. Let us start the time. Time is up, and the answer is 3 2/3. Let's have one more. Okay, multiply 2 3/5 by 3 3/4. Let us start the time. Time's up, and the answer is 9 3/4. Let's have one more. Multiply 3 1/4 by 2 2/5. Let us start the time. And the time is up. Our answer is 7 4/5. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Once again, please subscribe and share it to others. Remember, it is cool being wise. Have a nice day, everyone.